welcome from Disney Springs, where we're gonna chase some flavors of Florida. It is their event that's July 6th to August 12th, so I don't know if there's gonna be anything specific for August or if this is gonna count for August for the event at Disney Springs. So I have to figure out what I want for lunch because I'm pretty hungry. So if you're ready, let's go.
Wow! How incredible!
So I think we're gonna get the shrimp and grits from the Polite Pig. I might get something else also. I'm not sure how big shrimp and grits are, but that's what we're gonna get because I've never tried this place before. So inside the Polite Pig, they have really fun pig decorations. We didn't put the best team forward to something. Oh, it's kind of like newspapers, I think. But there's some pig stuff. Oh my goodness, this is a full meal, everybody. So I ended up getting shrimp and grits. It's a new take on a Southern classic transformed with a Florida peach and habanero glaze. So it looks like I got some mashed potatoes too, cornbread, and some slaw. I like the setup here, it's really cute. So first let's make it clean. I'm gonna have the cornbread. Very good cornbread. Very big shrimp on 2 skewers. So, okay, I also got a potato, I think. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this by myself. Didn't get on my shirt, and that's all that matters. Grits are pretty good. I've had grits in Atlanta before, so alright, let's try this out. Very good. That's really good. No, that thing on top was a peach. That was a peach. It looks like a sweet potato, but it's peach. Let me try that. Wow, it's like, I've never had a hot peach before. Alright, let's try the I wanted mac and cheese. Let's try the mashed potatoes. I think that's what this is, or extra. Very good, thank you. I think this is more grits. Let's see. I think so. I'm good with just the grits that I have, though. Because it's got all that glaze in there. Very good option here at Polite Pig. I've never eaten here before. And this is a full meal. So they're not kidding around. They also have paper towels on the side because I'm already making a mess, so. It didn't get on my shirt though, so that's all that matters. Alright, let me finish this, and then I'll give you last thoughts at the end. That was really good. So let's go. I can't eat anymore right now, but let's go look at some merchandise because they have some flavors from Florida merchandise. So I don't know if this is flavors of Florida or not, but it is Florida. It's orange and it's Mickey. That is really cute. Oh, and this is in Uniqlo. Here's what the signs look like all around Disney Springs. Flavors of Florida. Now we're gonna head into Ron John Surf Shop because they have some Florida flag merchandise. So here's one of them. The one in the pamphlet is red, but this one is here for $24.99. Here's the one from the pamphlet. It is $19.99. They have red, but they also have yellow, so that is awesome. And it says Disney Springs on the back. That's a win for sure. They even have a sweatshirt version for $34.99 in gray and in white. So there's a bunch of options. So over here at Amorette's, they have the Florida Sunset Eclair, which I think we're gonna get right now. The glass is a bit foggy because it's so hot out. They still have the Loki mousse if you're interested. And there's the Florida Sunset Eclair. But I've never seen this pina colada cheesecake either. They also have this other one, Sunset on Mile Marker Zero, so it's a key lime tart. So just so you know, at the pastry at Amorette's has liquor in it. I'm just not in the mood for liquor today. It is hot. I don't want to, even though it's a little bit, it's still hot. So I'm just gonna stick to the water. But we're gonna walk around and see what else they have. We might go in the World of Disney just to see if anything's new, and see where it goes from there. All right, here we go in the World of Disney. So right as we walk in, we have some pins, but they also have this really cool new pin bag. I'm assuming you put your pins in the little holes, and you can do it, you know, however you want. It's $59.99. I have not seen this bag before. It is inside out. It's got Bing Bong Joy, Sadness, the unicorn, I don't remember her name. It's even got all the memories. The inside also has all the memories as well. I have found it, the flavors of Florida. So they got cheddar popcorn, probably just because it's orange, for $5.99. And then they've got this really cute orange bird shirt for $24.99, and there it is on the mannequin. It says, "Hello, sunshine." And then we've seen these ears before, so a lot of this stuff is just repeat. If you love Loki, they have the ears. It says mischievous on the side. And I'm assuming it's $29.99, although prices apparently have gone up on some things. So here's something I haven't seen before. It's the Game of Life Disney Theme Park Edition. That's really fun for $49.99. I really like this shirt. Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse since '28. Love and Life. $24.99. So Brandon told me the Spirit jersey prices went up, and I didn't want to believe him, but here we go. It's $74.99. That's really sad. Okay, this hat was just off to the side, and I love Rafiki. It says "Good Vibes Only" for $27.99. That's really cute, and it's orange, so it works with the Florida theme. So they have a new notebook here. It's Beauty and the Beast. Oh, I don't need notebooks anymore. I'm done with that part of school. Seeking Adventures. And then on every page it's got like Mrs. Potts and Chip at the bottom, but there's nothing at the end, so it's just a notebook. Not as extravagant as those ones. And it's $19.99 with the rose on the back. So that was the gist of what's new in World of Disney. It was really busy. I didn't notice anything else that was too different. But now we're gonna head into Basin because they have some Florida stuff. All right, now we're heading into Basin because I'm sure it's gonna smell so good. So it says the Florida Sunshine is for the flavors from Florida. Flavors of Florida. They have it in bath bomb. Let's see if we can find it in the soap. In the pamphlet it also says electric lemonade is an exclusive flavors of Florida scent. Here is the bath soap. It's really cute. So it's a sunny citrus and fragrant florals shine bright in this warm horizon. That's awesome. Who's starting Halloween early? Basin is. They've got their Halloween stuff. This is the first Halloween type items that I've seen at all anywhere. So I found 2 out of the 3 things. I found the bath bomb and the soap, but I did not find the candied citrus lip balm. That's fine. It's Florida. This is great. So on the sign it says they have a Dole Whip watermelon parfait, but on here it says watermelon Dole Whip and a watermelon, and that's what I wanted. So hopefully they have that. So I got the watermelon Dole Whip. It comes in a slice of watermelon, or you could do the parfait. And I saw some people got it twisted with something else. I'm not sure what it was, but I went regular watermelon. It is melting very quickly, so let's try this. Oh my God. I need this all the time. Oh my God. I feel like I'm biting into a watermelon. I'm not kidding, guys. Get here before August 12th. This is amazing. Oh my God. I dare say, this is better than regular Dole Whip. Oh my God. Where has this been all my life? Where has this been all my life? Let's have it with a slice of watermelon. Very good. Wow. I need 10 more of these. This is all I'm ever gonna eat ever again. So you eat this and it's like, wow, it's watermelon. Wow, Disney, please keep this all the time. Get this if you come to Disney Springs. Don't get anything else. This is it. I can't eat anything else today. Oops. That was delicious. I will say, get it. You don't have to get it in the watermelon. You could just get it in a cup or as a parfait. And honestly, you really don't need the watermelon. It kind of just makes it messier. So, but I would still get it. I want to get another one right now. So we're gonna walk around a little bit more, round out the day. I don't think I have room for anything else to try. I ate all of that. So maybe we'll just end the day looking at some merchandise. Let's head into Marketplace Co-op and see if they have anything new. So there is something exciting happening. Disney Cruise Line is starting their cruises up in August. How exciting. So there is a Flavors of Florida over here. And it's the Orange Bird with the orange swirl. I don't know, Orange Bird, have you tried the watermelon Dole Whip yet? And then this is very fitting for Florida. So that says $69.99. I don't know if that price is really $74, but it's really cute too. So here at Erin McKenna's Bakery, they have an orange blossom cupcake. And I think I'm gonna try that. And that's gonna be my last thing because I am very full. I just got my cupcake and it came in this cute little to-go box. That's very nice. Makes it easy to transport to a spot to eat. So I ended up getting the orange blossom cupcake, moist vanilla cake spread with sweet orange flavored frosting. So let's try this out. I'm in an awkward spot. It's like a little chair, but let's try it out. Look how pretty it is. Oh wait, I haven't taken any photos today for Instagram, so I'm gonna have nothing. So let me get a photo real quick. Beautiful. I've never had Erin McKenna's Bakery, so that's two things I'm trying for the first time today. So look at me. All right, that looks so good. Let's try it out. Oh, by the way, they are gluten-free, kosher. Oh, vegan too. Yeah. All right, let's try it. Wow. Oh my God. Everything was a hit today. Oh my gosh, this is good. Definitely more orange at the top. Oh, they have a little orange in the middle, like little speckles. And look, it's gotta be better for you. It's got oranges. It's got gluten-free, vegan, and kosher, so it's all good for you, right? I still think I'd rather have the Dole Whip over this, but I'm pretty happy. So it also looks like they have some musical acts here, whereby the amphicars going in, and they would perform right there. Today is the 23rd, so there's nothing going on today, but a lot of good acts coming up. So we have one more stop before we head home, and that's at Sugarboo because they have some Florida-inspired things there. I feel like I've eaten enough today, so that is it. I'm cutting myself off. If you think about it though, I was a little bit healthy because everything was kind of fruit related. The shrimp and grits had peach, and then watermelon Dole Whip, and orange cupcake. So, yay, fruit. So I ended up popping into Vera Bradley because my wallet is kind of falling apart, so I thought it was time for a new one. You can see the fabric's coming apart here. The zipper is popping out. So let me show you what I got. So I ended up getting the Minnie Mouse one. I thought it was so cute. And I like these because I can just hook them to my pants I use it everywhere, and I think it's really convenient. It's small enough. It's got a little pocket for the annual pass that I'm utilizing, so I know where it is. It's ready to go. But this is what I got. We're gonna head into Sugarboo to see what kind of Florida merchandise that they have. Got those cute pillows, which I hope are somewhere else so I can find them. And then you've got some Florida fine art print. So, oh, they've got this. This is handy. All about Florida for $29. And then they've got this card for $6.25. Florida Poppy handcrafted popcorn. Ooh, for $8.75. And the print is $23. It looks like they have two different ones also. I don't want to pick anything up because I don't want to break anything. But they're really soft. I like them. And I just noticed these really nice wine glasses. You can have it in gold or silver for $12. They've also got this really cool cutting board for $30. That's really cool. I like that. There's the Everglades, Lake Okeechobee, Tampa, Daytona, St. Augustine. We went there. I like that. So that's gonna do it for today. It does look like there's some rain somewhere. I don't know if it's coming here or going elsewhere. But if you like that video, be sure to click that video over there. That's the last time we went to Disney Springs and ate some stuff. That video over there is a video that YouTube recommends for you. Make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap that notification bell to become a super subscriber. And until next time, see you real soon.